Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi everyone, I'm Sharmina. I'm the founder of Rome by Rolling Cabin Store, and welcome to the West Coast Van Life Overland Festival here at Coombs, British Columbia.
You want to tell us anything about your towels?
Sure. Yeah, and welcome to my booth. So I design quick dry towels, backpacks, and hammocks made from recycled materials. We're actively trying to divert plastic from oceans and landfills while also trying to promote a more responsible and sustainable outdoor culture. This right here is our double hammock. Maximum capacity is 550 pounds, pardon me. This one is made from 35 recycled plastic bottles. And this single hammock here is for a single petite person. Maximum capacity is 350 pounds. And this one is made from 22 recycled plastic bottles. Right behind you over there is our beautiful collection of our summer collection for towels, camping towels, beach towels, overland towels, some of them magnet saga. And they're excellent. They're 100% made from recycled materials, 80% made from recycled polyester, which is from recycled plastic bottles, and 20% recycled polyamide, which is derived from recycled fishing nets. So have a look. Let me know if you have any question. If you like, you can also visit me at www.rollingcabin.store or on Instagram at rollingcabin.ca. See you there.
How you doing? Good. How are you?
Very good.
Just checking it out.
Yeah, ask us any questions if you like.
Yeah.
We specialise in carbon fibre. The pop-top tent is a carbon fibre pop-top tent. With the rack included, it's only £148 on top there.
Okay.
And we do carbon fibre boxes. I don't have one on at the moment, but our ski box is only £48 for a full-length ski box.
Yeah.
Versus aluminum that's like 102.
Do you do boxes for anything other than vans?
A lot of our boxes will mount onto a lot of other things, so it just depends what you need it to mount to. Because all our boxes have 0 holes in them. So you can basically choose what you want to put it on. We've got different sizes. There will be another rig come in tonight. It's an F350 with a carbon fiber Kevlar shell on it.
Okay.
But we've got a small Grandy carbon fiber box on there too. So you can sort of have a look at the different mechanisms and stuff along those lines too.
So do you sell anything that's like half the size of this?
Probably not
Or
half
no?
the size. The Grande is probably about this size, I would say.
Okay.
But that's probably only 10 kilos. That's it in weight.